Hello everyone, it's Julia here from Inflorescence Designs. For today's Christmas in July tutorial, I am creating felted ornaments. These felted ornaments are made by using a Christmas cookie cutter for the stencil. For today's tutorial, we are doing what's called needle felting. For this tutorial, basic knowledge of needle felting is required. You can find multiple videos on YouTube sharing if you are new to this technique. To create your felted ornament, you need to have a base layer of a single color. Because I'm using a cookie cutter, I chose to make cookie cutter sugar cookie ornaments. So my base layer is a cream color for the cookie. Continue to needle felt your wool roving into the cookie cutter shape. You want to get a good base of it felted before we move on to the next step. When needle felting, you need to pick up your piece off of the wool mat occasionally. Remove your cookie cutter stencil and carefully peel your felted piece off. Replace your cookie cutter and gently press your felted piece back into your stencil. Repeat this process several times. You may need to add more wool roving when you pick it up off the wool mat if you notice one area seems thinner than another. Once your ornament base feels felted and holds its shape when you remove the cookie cutter, you can begin adding decorations. Since I am making sugar cookie ornaments, I will begin adding icing for my decorations. Once your felted decorations are complete, you can finish assembling your felted ornament. To finish my ornaments, I adhere it to a piece of felt using Thermoweb's Fabric Fuse adhesive. The ornament hanger is held in place using peel and stick fabric fuse sheets. Once dry, I use pinking shears for a pretty finished edge. For this ornament, I am adding a wooden bead. Additionally, I will be adding Thermoweb's Heat and Bond Sparkle Paste by Jennifer Long to add some sparkle and shine to these ornaments. To use Heat and Bond Sparkle Paste, simply paint it onto your felted ornament. Make sure to wash all supplies immediately when you are finished. To set the sparkle paste, you will need to press with the hot iron for 60 seconds. Make sure to use pressing or parchment paper.